We give 30 seconds, a minute. Like I said, it's on their servers. It's not on your internet. It's just taking a piece of your internet, seeing how fast you're uploading, but then their servers are taking care of everything else. It's not purely on the person's internet anymore. So, because technology has updated throughout the time, so they don't want to rely on you to then upload something. You want to see like what you're uploading, and then they have different pieces of software to now help that uploading. So different technology. Any imagination you can do with technology, it has happened. So they got different software to help you upload. If your upload speed is slow, because honestly, if all uploads were just uploading at a certain frame of time, and then it just breaks off, you have to restart. A lot of people give up on a lot of websites and web apps and apps and all this junk on the internet, Web 2.0. Then since there are a lot of smart people out there, when there's like this says processing, whatever word, it's just a front end communication to the user. When you're uploading something, it's constantly saving. There's some kind of shard, right? Some kind of, not catch, but it's in some kind of like saving mechanism. So, and then when it's saving this, it's saving the history of your processing. There's some computer science right there, but we're just waiting for it to process. You see it processing still. So then it's unpublished. So since it's unpublished, I can make a whole bunch of changes to it. And then we'll take the example that I did in the last two clips. On this clip right here, clips by, you can say whatever. So clip by this guy right here, and then I say fan art, the year, and then fan clips collection, right? And then I have the @ in the description. So let's do that same thing, and then it's clicked on February 22nd. I'm pretty sure from February 22nd, 2017, and then yeah, it says in the title. I wasn't even looking at that. I want to keep the year. I'm gonna take this out. This is primarily for you guys if you want to do this, because this is just for me. Then clip by CYBE fan arts. Or fan clips, I meant. Fan clips. I think I did that. Fan clips. And then I want to do a bar. A bar is in, it's right next to my backspace, but you hold shift and then bar. And I want to do fans or fan clips collection. And as I do that, that's my title. And then I want to tag this person right here, this man, this female, whatever you are. Give it some space, and then I do CYBE, exactly like the name. And then I do the exact game that I'm on. So I'm not doing talk show. I'm doing Black Ops. At least Twitch recognizes that you can say Blops, and then you can say now it's Black Ops or Black Ops 2. This is Black Ops 2. Now, and then I didn't see how to do the tags. It doesn't let me, but whatever. And then that's it. That's literally how you do it. You know, that's like the hardest part. And there's really no hard parts at all. I don't see anything else. Fan clips. I named it. Yeah, so then I named it as the arts. That's what I meant to do. Alright, so then arts. Because that's a piece of art, that's someone's eye that they see in your channel, and then they take it and then they clip it, and then you can find it. You have some kind of link to what they're doing to your channel. So that's awesome, that's cool, that's uploaded, and it's published. I'm pretty sure it has to be published in order to add it to a collection. Make sure it looks published, everything looks published. Cool. And then that just, it says published on the bottom right, just cause that's what they put in the code. Now I want to go back to collections, and now I see fan clips, and then it goes ascending. So then this is like the most recent fan clips here. I want to add the clip I just did. So sometimes it might take some time for you to see it. Just give it some time, reload a few times, or just wait. Otherwise, it takes around like 1 or 2 minutes because my first clip wasn't there. This clip right here is the third clip by CYBE. And then that's on the bottom, is descending down to the newest. Now in my collection, go to it. Now in my collection, it is now brand new. Let's pause that. Let's pause that sexy video. Let's pause that sexy video. And now you see here that my clips is updated. My fan clips, my openings is still there. And then whatever else. I was trying to take this out, but it wasn't letting me, but whatever. You can put your collections up top, and then we can just publish, and boom, perfect, awesome. And it's already there. There's nothing to publish really, because it's already updates in the collection, and it's already inside of your channel. So there's nothing to update. So that's perfect. That's awesome. That's literally how you do it. That's literally how you would take someone's clip of your channel from like way down in the past, or a recent highlight that you did, or a recent clip anywhere, and then you put that clip inside your collection, and now it's on top of your videos. That's really it. Nothing else to go over. I went over all the details, and I said a lot of extra stuff to really explain what was going on Twitch and what's going on with your channel. There's anything else you guys want me to go over, definitely let me know. I don't really see any points I might have skipped over or anything I misread or missaid. If I did, let me know in the comments. If you like the video, if you don't like the video, definitely share the channel, share the video, whatever it is, and then I'll see you guys later, I guess. But primarily, I really want to see you guys back in the Discord. This is where we're building our community. The Cyber Connect, the CYBE Gamers Guild. Definitely check out in the description right around CYBE Gamers Guild is the Discord. And then anything else, any suggestions, let me know in the comments or in the YouTube community or on Twitter, wherever. And then I'll see you guys later. Take care and peace out.